Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to put a password on Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to admin it. So first of all, log in into your Shopify admin area and then click on online store and click on preferences and scroll down. And here you'll find this password protection option. To enable the password, simply check this enable password option and enter your password here, and you can add a message for your visitors here. So after that, click on save. So this is how we can set password to our Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to admin it. Thank you for watching.